Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best Danish pastry. First, ensure your butter is very cold. This is crucial for creating those beautiful layers. Begin by gently mixing your dry ingredients with milk and an egg to form a soft, pliable dough. Knead it briefly until smooth, then let it rest for about 30 minutes at room temperature. After this initial proof, chill the dough thoroughly for at least 1 hour before the lamination process begins. Now for the magic, lamination. Roll your chilled dough into a rectangle about 3 times the size of your butter block. Place the cold butter in the center, fold the dough over it, and seal the edges. Gently roll it out again, then perform your first single fold. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. Repeat this rolling, folding, and chilling process 2 more times, ensuring the butter remains cold and firm throughout. With your beautifully laminated dough ready, it's time to get creative. Roll the dough out to a consistent thickness, roughly 1/4 of an inch. Now, cut it into your desired shapes. Squares, triangles, or even circles work wonderfully. Spoon your chosen filling, whether it's a sweet fruit preserve, a rich cream cheese mixture, or a nutty paste, right into the center. Fold and shape your pastries, ensuring the filling is secure. Finally, the moment of truth. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your shaped Danish pastries on a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are golden brown and puffed. Once cooled, a simple glaze made from powdered sugar and a touch of milk adds the perfect sweet finish. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Danish pastries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.